Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new 12 by 12 layout. So for this layout, I am using the March Scrapbooking Store kit, and this one was a birthday collection. So it was really fun to make this layout because Helaman, who is my wife's 12-year-old son, he is my stepson, and it was his birthday at the end of January. So I, right off the bat, knew that I had some photos that I wanted to scrapbook with this. And in this week's episode of Pocket Page Scrapbooking, you will see the companion page that I made to go along with this that was just a pocket page with the same collection. So this was really fun to do both a 12 by 12 layout and a pocket page with this kit. Oftentimes I make one layout with a kit and then I put it away and go to the next layout or kit or whatever, and I use something different. So this was fun and a little bit different from my normal scrapbooking experience, at least lately. I used to try to kill my kits when I scrapbooked all the time, and now I just try to play and have fun and enjoy the hobby. I don't do very much using the kit more than once. So this one was really special and a lot of fun. So I had a photo from the morning of his birthday, which you can see is the one to the left. And that is him looking at his present, which we got him some drawing supplies and a new drawing book for his present this year. Then the four smaller photos on the left are photos of everybody at the dinner table. He wanted to have something really special for dinner that was a new meal that I kind of just threw together one night, and he absolutely loved it. So he loved it so much, he has to have it on his birthday again. So we did that, and Ellie came over for his birthday dinner, as well as he had a friend that came over to eat with us and do cake and all of that fun celebration. So it was a really good and memorable birthday. It was his 12th birthday, which I just cannot believe that this kid is 12. I met him when he was 8. Like, it's just so crazy how much all of these kids are just growing up, and it goes by too fast. So you can see I am using the sticker sheet and some of the embellishments from the upgrade kit. And I just really, really loved this layout and also all of the pieces that came in this kit. So here I'm going to do just a little bit of journaling on that little tag, and then I'm going to stick it up there in that right hand side of the photo. I think I'm moving everything over because I didn't have enough space for the journaling ticket, and that worked out really well. I hate it when I stick something down and I'm like, okay, all of these things are going here, and then it's like, oh, I don't have enough room for this thing I decided to use after the fact, right? So anyway, it worked out, and I really love how that looks. I am using some stickers from the embellishment sticker sheet, and I know I want to use this Let's Celebrate tag, but I wasn't quite sure where to put it. So I am going to ink the edges of it using this Close to My Heart ink, and then I decide to put it over here to the left of that photo. Then I'm going to add this second journaling card, and on this one I'm going to talk about his birthday present a little bit, I think, and probably a little bit more about his birthday. I believe his birthday was on a Monday. So I just did my journaling, which I need to pat myself on the back because oftentimes I make the layout, I don't stamp the dates on it, and I don't do my journaling. So lately, I have been trying to be better about writing in the date or stamping the date, and it really is important to have those things on there. So here I am just using some old chipboard to pop this little Let's Celebrate tag up a little bit. And I believe that is going to be my title for this layout. Okay, so now here I am just fiddling with this new tape that I'm putting in my ATG. I decided to finally break down and buy the cheap stuff because I'm not made of money, and it really does not like to be used. And it doesn't help that I once again lost my little cover thing to keep the tape down on that right side. So yeah, that's super special. So I was having a little bit of trouble, but anyway, I think this is the end of my layout. I hope that you guys have a great scrappy day, and I will see you in a couple of days with the pocket page that goes along with this 12 by 12 layout. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.